Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. If you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So I was rooting through my stash of craft supplies and found this trio of jam jars. I also found this package of kindling wood, which I have used in other projects before, as well as my trusty tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. What could I make with these and a little Gorilla Glue? Well, all over Pinterest we've had these mason jar centerpieces, so I thought I'd try my hand at making one. So first of all, I decided to take the kindling wood, and it was the perfect size to go around the cardboard box that the jars already came in, and it would provide a bit of support and I'd have the right size and shape. So I decided to glue the kindling on the long sides and then use the tumbling tower blocks for the short sides. And using the Gorilla Glue, I put all the pieces together. And necessity is the mother of invention, and I didn't have any clamps to hold it nice and tight, so I just used elastic bands to secure it until it dried completely. This didn't take very long. While the box was drying, I decided to use some of this cream-colored chalk paint to paint two of my mason jars. I was going to leave the third one clear because I was going to put some little fairy lights in it. I put about 2 coats on and let it dry as well. I let the box dry for about a half an hour or so, and it was fairly sturdy. Then I took my trusty shoe polish that I love to use for wood stain, and I coated the whole box with a couple of layers. Now this shoe polish has gone a long way. I've done several projects with it and I still have some to spare. It works great. While the shoe polish was drying, I decided to decorate up my lids of my mason jars, making them farmhousey. So I had this burlap ribbon, which was actually adhesive and quite sticky, so I thought that would be easier than gluing it around the edge. So I just cut some pieces and attached it around the lids of the jars. Now I love putting inspirational words on my decor, and I had these metal signs left over from Easter, and one of the signs in there said blessings, so I thought that would be perfect. So these are great. You get 3 of them for $1.25 and they are metal. So I just put a couple of coats of white chalk paint on it just to make it stand out a little bit, painted it, let it dry, and then glued it onto the front of my box. Next, I took some of this plastic foliage from the Dollar Tree, and using the wire cutters I pulled it apart and put it in 2 of the painted jars. I put the fairy lights in the clear jar first and then put some greenery on top. And once it was all together and I turned it on, I thought it looked beautiful. Let me know what you think, and also give me some suggestions for Wacky Wednesday because that's coming up next week. 3 totally unrelated craft items that I have to make into a home decor item. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.